How to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 10 or 11. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. The first step is simply you need to search for power. You can click on search bar or icon and type in power. If you don't get the option of power and sleep, simply you can type in power, sleep and battery settings and click open button. Once you're here, you need to search for additional power settings, or if you don't get that option, you can simply click adjusting power and sleep settings. Now a new window will appear on your screen where you can simply go through this information. Further, you have to come across this section again, and under power you will find out power mode. You need to click on the drop down menu box and select best performance, or else in case if you find additional power setting option at top right, you can click change plan settings next to your active power plan. Then select change advanced power settings, and in the new window you have to choose high performance. You can scroll down to processor, power management, and then expand it. Ensure your minimum processor state is set to 0%. System cooling policy is set to active, and maximum processor state is set to 100%. Then you have to click apply and then click on OK to save the changes. So for the final step, you can restart your computer to apply the changes, and you simply need to right click on the taskbar and select the task manager option. Then you have to click three-line icon at top left and select Startup Apps. And here you can disable the unnecessary apps. Don't disable security or important services. And once you have done that, you can simply restart your computer again. You should notice improved speed and performance of your CPU. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.